So, you've decided it's finally time to say goodbye to that Facebook page you manage on your PC or laptop. Let's get this done first. Log into your Facebook account on your PC or laptop. Once you're logged in, look for your own profile picture or name. In the top right corner of the Facebook page, click on that icon. In the menu that pops up, you'll need to find and select the option that allows you to switch to your page. This might be labeled as Switch Profile or simply Pages. Go ahead and click on your page to access its interface. Now that you're on your page, on the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Scroll down this menu until you find Settings and Privacy and click on it. From the Settings and Privacy options, click on Page Settings. This will take you to a new page dedicated to managing your page's configurations. On the Page Settings screen, you'll need to scroll down to find a section usually labeled Permissions or Your Page Information. Within this section, look for an option called Account Ownership and Settings or something similar. Click on this. Here, you'll see options for deactivating or permanently deleting your page. Find the Deactivation and Deletion option and click View. Now, you'll have two choices: to temporarily deactivate your page or to permanently delete it. Since we want to remove it forever, select Delete Page. After selecting it, click Continue. Facebook will likely ask you for a reason why you're deleting your page. Choose the option that best fits your situation, or select Other, and then click Continue. You might be asked to re-enter your Facebook password. To confirm this action, type it in and click Continue once more. This is your final confirmation. Facebook will inform you that your page will be permanently deleted within 30 days. During this waiting period, if you change your mind, you can log back in and cancel the deletion. Otherwise, after 30 days, your page and all its content will be gone for good.